Even if you fail, I believe in angels. Something good in everything I see. I believe in angels. When I know time is right for me, across the street, I have a dream. Across the street, I have a dream.
Thank you, Stephanie. Are you sure? Yeah, I have a dream. Don't know what to say for this week, but we'll see you soon. Okay. You have a dream? Oh, shout out. Thank you, Stephanie. And Stephanie, hello. Sabi na, she's okay. Have a great week, everyone. Happy. Yeah. It's past 12 midnight in your place. Okay, let's sing this line. Short live stream lang to. Thank you, Ashish and Stephanie. Ashish. Then Stephanie and me, Yao.
Remember saying you didn't mention nothing into my mind. You asked for mine. You have the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright. Really, right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. Oh, did you know I needed someone like you in my life? Where there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. Guess what I'm really trying to say is that every day that someone like you comes my way, words express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? When there's an empty space in my heart, you came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. Guess what I'm really trying to say is that someone like you comes my way. Words can express how much I love you.
Tapos na. Thank you. Because being able, thank you, yeah. 16